Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went ahead and used this Colourpop palette. It's Lust for Dust. I just picked it up at Ulta yesterday. I had to get shampoo and conditioner for my daughter and my husband, and I get theirs from Ulta, so I went ahead and just did like a store pickup. I saw this was in the store, so I went ahead and added it to my order. And then I also got these neon pigments off of Amazon. Obviously I used the pink. They are so difficult to work with. I'm just gonna say that right now. Every time I was trying to like push it on, it just came right off. So brushes definitely did not work. I had to use my fingers with these, but I got them because I was gonna do like a neon skull for Halloween, so we'll see if that still works out. But anyways, my battery's about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so that was it. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. My battery is literally flashing at me right now, so I do have to go ahead and end this here. Lust for Dust, obviously I only used a couple of shades from this palette, but I'm excited to play with it more. The gold shade that's in this is so pretty, so definitely like that. But I'm gonna try it a couple more times before I decide if it's like a must-have or not. So yeah, keep an eye out for more tutorials from this palette. But again, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.